From just one prompt, I created a 50K ad commercial featuring brand's product from multiple angles in under 5 minutes.
0. Everything. 2-0 to stop.
No camera, no product, no location, and not even a real model. Because to create this entire campaign, I used just one website, one prompt, and it's completely done with AI. So in this video, you'll learn exactly how to turn any product or a link of it, if you don't have one, into a professional ad campaign for your brand or business with just one prompt. Everything is copy and paste, super simple, no experience needed, so you can repeat it one-on-one. And the best part, that your results won't look like AI generated at all, because I'll share with you my exact prompts so you can get clean, high-quality visuals ready for any commercial or creative project. And this method is the easiest way to create converting ads nowadays. The only thing you gotta do is paste your product link, the prompt, and AI will handle the rest. It analyzes your competitors, it writes the script, it generates the scenes, edits them together, and handles all the post-production. So in the end, you're getting finished professional ad ready to use wherever you want. It's absolutely perfect type of advertising for social media, as well as it's perfect for e-commerce brands and online shops. And with this method, you can forget about jumping between the tools, because you're not gonna need a Claude code or any MCP connectors. We're gonna do it all using just Higgsfield website and its new feature, Supercomputer. And it does literally all itself. It picks the right models, it writes scripts and prompts, changes camera angles, log in the AI influencer or avatar, and even animates it all into realistic looking content ready for your social media or ads. I'll walk you through step by step and give you all tools and information that you can get in the description box below absolutely for free to follow this tutorial along. So make sure to open it up before we even start. And once you're ready, let's dive in. So before we start creating our own ad campaign and touch any AI tool, we do one thing that most creators skips, and it's the difference between ads that actually convert and ads that just look pretty. So we study which kind of ads are performing for other brands. So since I want to create a TV style commercial, I simply go on YouTube and look up for different drink brands and look at my competitors. So I have to find an ad that's already performing well, which is looking good, and then I will take the hook, the pacing, the structure, and adjust it to my ad that I'm gonna create. I'm not gonna do it all myself. I'll show you the prompt that I'm gonna use to create all of this analysis, which is perfectly completing this task. So we're not gonna copy, we just reverse engineer what actually works and apply it to our own brand. For today's tutorial, I decided to take as example a Prime hydration drink. I'm looking now at how Prime usually presents itself. It's like bright flavors, refreshing, cooling, lots of fruit visuals, and that's their visual DNA. Now let me find something from a competitor, and we're gonna simply copy the link of it, and then we're gonna go to our Google Docs document. We see here a free prompt and instructions. Here I'm scrolling down, and under the step 1, I see a video analysis. Here I'm gonna copy this prompt and paste it at Higgsfield. Link on the Higgsfield you will find as well in the instructions, and this is how the main page looks like. You can access the feature Supercomputer right here in the middle on the main page, or you can go simply in the left upper corner and select at the menu the feature Supercomputer. Once we're opening it, you will see here the flow and the frame where we can see the generating models that Higgsfield is going to use for us. So to create our ad campaign, we're going to use today a Claude Sonnet 4.6 model. This will be the best for our task. I'm pasting the prompt and replacing the X with my competitor's video link and hitting ask before generation, because this stops it from burning our credits without our approval or permission. So make sure to turn it on before you start. Now I simply hit generate and wait a little bit till Supercomputer is working. Now look at this, it's giving me a full breakdown, the hook, the timing, the composition, the pacing, and everything what makes it work, and the replication takeaways that I can later apply to create my own ad. This is the amazing research that we've got in under 30 seconds, and most agencies are charging thousands for this kind of competitive analysis. So you can imagine how powerful this AI tool is. Once we analyzed our competitor's ad, we're ready to create our own campaign. For that, we're going back to the Google Docs and scrolling here down to the step number 2, which I called UGC ad campaign. But this template works for 2 formats, so don't be afraid about the word UGC, because you can easily swap it to the TV style ad, which is I'm gonna do right now and show you how it works. So TV style format is one of the formats that you can create by using this method, and the reason why I want to switch to the TV style ad is because I want to create 16:9 horizontal format. But as well, with this prompt, you can generate a UGC style ad, which is perfect for social media, like vertical and more personal. So feel free to try both and use the one that fits your needs. By the way, a quick note why I decided to use a prime as example, and actually it's because of its recognizable, colorful package. And this time I decided to take a really complicated one with a lot of details and colors in it to show you exactly how perfect this supercomputer feature is. By the way, how to create a UGC style ad where you can control every character, every move, and every scene you want, however you like, I already made on my channel, so I leave a hint here if you haven't seen this video before. And there I showed exactly how you can place your product anywhere you want. But this time I didn't pick a simple solid color because I want to show you how it works for real with a complex product and not just easy demos. After I copied the product link, I'm going back to Higgsfield and pasting it right into the prompt where it says paste the product link. I'm replacing that with the prime hydration product page URL, and the only thing I'm going to change is where it says UGC ad campaign. I'm changing it to a TV style ad campaign because I want it to be horizontal and 16:9 format, as I already mentioned. And this, all the editing that I'm doing here. After that, I simply hit generate. Now you can see exactly what happens because Claude is loading the skills automatically. Visual scale, product analyzer, 3 other skills. So I don't have to install any of those or think about which kind of skills do I need for this kind of tasks. I didn't connect anything, so everything is right here and I don't have to do anything manually. So as you can see, it first pulled a high resolution PNG of the prime bottle straight from the product page, so I don't need to clean the product photo or even save it on my computer. It grabs the one automatically for me. Then, as you can see, it generates the full brand analysis, like the brand DNA, the brand positioning, the color palette with the exact those colors and the hex code, which we can see on the original bottle, and that's why I took this complicated package product. Then we can see as well the photography style and the product details, and I think this is a pretty much work of everything that our director would build over 2 days, or I don't know, maybe a week. So everything we need to create our perfect ad campaign we did in less than 90 seconds. Based on the analysis, Supercomputer asked me now a few questions about the creative direction. For example, I'm letting it lead because in this tutorial I want to show you exactly what AI produces when you let it do and how good the results could be when you actually navigating it. So based on the analysis, AI is offering us the model, the location, the camera style, and so on. I'm gonna choose today the character that AI offers me, but you can also upload your own face or describe a specific one, and I have a free prompt for that in the description. If you want, you can do your custom AI influencer with the full body shots in the 2K resolution, so it gives you the correct output so you can use this AI model in your further projects. Once our AI character is ready, we can see the generated picture here or simply on the right side, and by clicking on it you can also see which model Higgsfield used to generate it, which resolution and settings been used as well. After that, I'm going to agree for the location. So when the character is generated and it matches the energy of the brand, the location, and if you don't like it, as I said, you can simply adjust the age, ethnicity, wardrobe, vibe, or whatever you want. Just simply text it in the prompt here down. But I like this one, and I got to be honest, I'm in love with that. So let's move forward. After that, now I'm seeing the full script for the commercial that AI is also generated for me, and it's labeled as a D2C style ad, which is exactly what I want, because Prime is selling directly to the customer their products. So I'm hitting to proceed, and now I see the credit confirmation pop up. I currently have to approve every single step before it generates it, because I set it the settings that way that it does not burn my credits without my own approval. It shows me how many credits each steps cost, because this setting is literally protects you from burning credits on something you don't need or you don't want to see. So I'm simply approving it and waiting for the generation. Now now it picks the AI model on its own, and for the character, and for the location, and for the video as well. As you can see, we don't need to connect anymore any references or any images. It picks everything by itself and puts it all together in a solid, ready-to-use prompt. So you don't have to know which model is the best or how does it work, because the supercomputer is already deciding for you. And now you see the moment where it gets really crazy. I don't have to lock in the character, I don't have to generate extra shots of it, I don't have to describe any camera angles, as well as I don't have to attach the product. And look at the detail of this prompt. The camera is not just a camera, it has a specific lens, and the style is locked to the brand and its DNA. That's why by using my prompt we make the analysis at the beginning. Even the music and the voice script, everything is written. You don't have to care about any sounds or visuals at all. So everything that takes usually about 2 weeks to produce for a creative director, we literally did in 5 minutes. As you can see, the supercomputer is using Seedance 2.0 for the video generator and 16:9 format, which is the highest quality. And I'm gonna set the 50-second runtime, so this is exactly what I'm asking for. And after I picked all the settings that I need, I hit generate and it's slowly starting to load. By the way, if you're serious about learning AI for ads that actually convert, I have a link in the description box below for my AI ads community where I share tips, tricks, and secrets, and you are getting one-on-one unlimited support with me. There you will find full workflows, breakdowns, all the instructions and tutorials that you'll need to study AI ads, so I'll be happy to see you inside. And after our video is generated, let's see what result we got.
Nothing holding back. 0. Everything. 2-0 to stop.
And by the way, if you would like to create a commercial like that in a real life, this is how much it will probably cost you. And besides that, it's not going to be just expensive and limited in the possibilities, it's also going to take you probably from the 2 or 4 weeks to produce. While AI-generated content will cost you just a few dollars per video, will take you 5 minutes to produce, and you can test as many variations, as many hooks, and as many ads as you want. Absolutely alone, without having a team or waiting to the agency, so it's not just a small difference, it's a complete new way of producing ads. And if you try to create anything with this workflow or by using my exact prompts, drop a comment below because I read and reply every single one. By the way, if you're serious about learning AI for ads that actually convert, I have a link in the description box below for my AI ads community where I share tips, tricks, and secrets. Plus, I'm giving you one-on-one support, so I'll be happy to see you inside. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.